Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special Halloween tutorial for you. We are making fabulous witch nails. Follow along to create this stunning and easy design. Links for the products used in this tutorial will be in the description below. As you can see here, I already applied natural set and built up my nail. I'm going to start off with two colors, HM32 and HM13. I'm also going to be using jealous base. And let's start with the first color, HM13. Apply jealous base. Then dip your finger into the jar. Shimmy the jar so that you can get all around the nail. Repeat the process. Apply a third layer, still avoiding the cuticle line. Apply SNS sealer dry, wait for it to completely dry, and then file and buff. Let's move to our next color. Apply jealous base and repeat our previous dipping steps. Now we're ready for more sealer dry. Wait for them to dry. File and buff the nail. Dust off your nails and make sure to get underneath them as well. Now we're going to apply gel top to HM32 and matte top to HM13. Wait for them to dry, apply a second coat, next we're going to use GelStar top coat to create the rest of the design. Feel free to follow along. Scoop and pour the powder over top of the GelStar. Now scoop and pour the powder over top of the gel. Cure for 30 seconds. Look at how pretty that looks. For our final touch, we're going to apply our SNS vitamin oil. Voila, all done. These nails are fast and easy to do, and they're just in time for Halloween. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon not to miss out on any of our latest designs. Our next contest starts on October 1st and ends on October 31st. Spooktober. #ILoveSNS. We are looking for Halloween-themed nails, something that really makes the costume pop, or some unique designs on their own. Make sure to use #ILoveSNS and tell us which products and colors were used in the design in the post description.